I'm pretty cool. So let's click on the next button.
Let's find
8 times 8. So what is 8 times 8? Split the
Split
factor.
the 8 by 8 array into 2 equal arrays.
I mean, we can't split factors, but split the array into equal arrays. That's 4 and 4, guys.
Each array has 4 rows of 8 dots. How many dots are in the top array?
How many dots? I know the answer. The answer is... It's 32, guys. So, we got it right.
The top array has 32 dots. The bottom 4 by 8 array also has 32 dots. How many dots are there in all?
So, are you telling me 32 plus 32? Oh yeah, they're telling us. Let's do it right away. That equals 64. Who does not know that? Okay, yes, please. You didn't have to do that fast.
8 times 8 equals 64.
Sorry, I muted this. I can do it anytime I want. Like
Let's
anytime.
find 8 times 5 by looking at 4 times 5 first. Find the product.
Yes, anytime.
Four times 5 equals 20. Find this product.
Like if you do 5, 10, 15, 20, 4 times. Oh, now we have to do it 8 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. You know how I know we have to do it that many times? Because it shows the answer right here. That we're not like, so how many times should we do? We don't have to ask like, Dad, Mom, how much times? Oh, honey, it's like 10 times. 10 times. So, just click done now.
8 times 5 equals 40. Let's find 8 times 7 by looking at 4 times 7 first. Find the product.
Who did not know the answer? It might be 20. No, 28!
4 times 7 equals 28. Find this product.
Lori, next time, do not shout. Okay, I get it. I won't shout. And I'm about to go like California. It can be loud, but don't shout like, ah! Don't do that. So guys, I'm going to go to California. Lori's going to help you. Bye. Okay, it's currently California. So 8 times 7, that's rocking it. So 8 times 7, that equals 56. 56. 56. 50.
8 times 7 equals 56. Let's find 8 times 9 by looking at 4 times 9 first. Find the product.
I'm back from California. No, I actually wasn't at California. I was actually just taking a quick run. You tricked me, Krister. Are you kidding me? Oh, yes, I'm kidding. Man. Let's see 31, I think. So I got my stick. Slap, slap. I didn't actually get a stick. I think I just, did you hear noise? Okay, you kidding me, Krister? Okay. Time to actually go back to real math. Thanks for saying that, Flory. Equals 36. I post videos every single day, but not every single
4
day.
times 9 equals 36. Find this product.
So, guys, I think the answer is. Can you give me seconds, Kapachi? I can be doing extra fast. Look. That equals 72.
Eight times 9
Glory!
equals 72. Find the product.
Okay, time to introduce myself to answer the most easiest question that I've ever wanted to solve from already 3, 2, 1. The answer is 48! 48!
8 times 6 equals 48. Find the product.
Flory, you were talking to yourself way too much. I mean, you were talking to these people, the subscribers, or the people that watches this video too much. So yeah, I've been over this. So guys, I would like to preach like I would preach. Okay, so guys, what is 8 times 8? 8 times 8 actually equals 64! Okay, yeah, I didn't have to shout. But guys,
8 times 8 equals 64.
Buckle my shoes, 3, 4. Buckle some more, 5, 6. Nike kicks, 7, 8. Do some tricks, 9, 10.
Which 3 cards have equal values?
So which 3 cards actually? So what's 32 plus 32, guys? That actually equals 64. So then, which one of these equals 64? Are we going to say this? That's wrong.
Try again.
This. That's wrong
These
again.
3 cards
so these
all
actually
have a value of 56. Choose these cards.
Well, guys, I think I got a new friend named Yoop. Yoop, come introduce yourself. Oh, my name is Yoop. Yoop, I'm steady and strong. Wow, wowee, wow. I know this answer. I'm always confident.
Try again.
I just wanted to say, Yoop is very strong, brave. He can fly. He's even stronger than an eagle. I mean, he's stronger than a tiger too. Oh, and he's the fastest guy around. He's even faster than a cheetah. Faster than the faster YouTuber. I mean, yeah. Lutetia. Lanthanides? Why is it called lanthanides? Oh, that's just the element periodic. We're element. Well, but what if we didn't know the answer? So, guys, what do you think? I think these are the answers. So, guys, I think 8 times 8, 32 is 32, equals... Oh, no, it's actually
These
this.
three cards all have a value of 72. Choose these cards.
I'll choose them. So, guys... Okay, that was a weird sound. Yo, that's cool. I never saw these. What is this? These are the same, yeah. So, 20 plus 20? This is 20 plus 20. 20 plus 20? 20 plus 20? What do these two? I forgot which one makes 20 plus 20. Wait, what?
Try again.
So these 3 cards will make a match? What?
These 3 cards all have a value of 40. Choose these cards.
Okay, I think these are the answers. Yes! I thought yellow means you go a little bit slower. Now you still stop. You go a little bit slower, like on yellow, go slower, then whoosh! Bro, we're not doing that because we're gonna spend our 3 minutes doing a countdown.